Fix the switch with 2 self-tapping screws type BT2 for 5mm. Fix the CR2N032 battery with double-sided tape or adhesive tape. Insert the round base into the brick frame as shown in the photo, then insert the printed button onto the switch. Fix the green disc onto the base with double-sided tape or hot glue. Fix the lamppost base at the center of the base with hot glue. Connect about 13 cm of red, black, or other colored wire to the LED, keeping in mind the diode's polarity. Insert the LED so that the wire runs through the entire lamppost down to the base. Connect the negative terminal of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the switch between the positive terminal of the battery and the LED. Assemble the head of the lamppost as shown in the photo. No glue is needed. If fitting the pieces together is difficult, smooth out any irregularities on the edges of the insert with sandpaper. Finally, mount the head on the lamppost. If necessary, add a little glue. Thanks for watching. Follow me on MakerWorld.